Okay, let's get started. So let's go to sales and invoices. And here I have two invoices for our example. I have Cookies by Kathy, $75, Barnett Design, $75. I'm going to go ahead and apply payment to Barnett Design. I'm going to say this was cash. We have the $75 applied to the open balance, the amount received. There's no amount to credit. Let's hit save and close. Now let's go to all sales, and you'll see here that there's a payment applied to Barnett Design. A time passes and you realize, oh, it was supposed to be for Cookies by Kathy, not Barnett Design. So let's open the payment. And the moment you start typing, we're going to change the name to Cookies by Design. The moment you start typing, this pop-up is going to show up. Selecting a new customer will change how credits and payments were applied. Is this okay? So we hit yes. And now I have Cookies by Kathy. The same pop-up will come up. Hit yes again. Remember to select cash. Enter the $75 as amount received and apply it to the invoice. It's checked. And now let's hit save and close. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so now we're gonna have to open this payment again. I am not sure, but this seems to be a glitch that QuickBooks has, but it's easily fixed by opening it again and applying it. So let's hit save and close, and now we see that it's 0. Let's go back to invoices, and now we see that Barnett Design is still showing a balance due of 75, and Cookies by Kathy is now paid as it was supposed to be from the beginning. And just like that, you apply and unapply payment and apply to the correct one again.